The 1MZ-FE is a very popular engine from Toyota that came across a lot of their models. If you have one of these vehicles equipped with one of these engines and you're looking to replace the timing belt, then in this video I'm going to be going over the exact parts that you will need in order to get this job done. Now as I hold the camera and try to unbox these parts on my own, you can see that I'm actually having all the parts laid out on the floor. This is the water pump that's driven by the timing belt, so you might as well get that replaced while you're doing this. This may or may not cause a leak, because remember, the belt is replaced every 90,000 miles. So if you're gonna wait another 90,000 miles and take a chance that this pump won't leak, that's totally up to you, but it only makes sense to replace it while you're in there. This is a water pump that comes with a gasket. It's made by a company named ASIN. These up here are both the camshaft seals and the crankshaft seal. Now if you feel like I'm helping you out here, please go ahead and click that like button and consider subscribing if you want to see more of my content coming up. This is the tensioner itself, which puts a lot of the tension to the entire belt. This right here that I'm unboxing is the tensioner roller. These are all wear and tear items. You know, the seals you might want to replace because they may leak later on in the future and you don't want to take a chance while you're in there. Go ahead and replace those. The tensioner itself may lose tension over time, which will cause the belt to become a little more loose, could cause some noise. And the tensioner roller itself, you know, there's bearings in there and those bearings may wear out over time, causing a lot of noise as well. So in other words, keep your engine quiet by replacing these rollers while you're in there. If you feel like tackling this job yourself, I'm going to link right above in this video in the top right. I'm going to link a video where I actually done this job myself and I walk you right through it. Feel free to click on that video and let me know what you think. These are the belts right over here. Both of these, it takes two belts in the 1MZ-FE. One drives the power steering pump and the other one drives the alternator. I'm not really sure exactly which one it is, but once you take it off you'll be able to match it and you'll know exactly which one to replace. Now both of these belts you could get them, you know, aftermarket if you like, but I recommend you always get Toyota, or at least the company that makes the Toyota belts, which is, and this time is this brand Mitsubishi. Kind of a funny name if you ask me. This dotted line right here faces the crankshaft and this solid lines faces both the camshafts. I'll put up a picture right here so you can see what it looks like when installed in the vehicle. And that is it. I hope this short video can help you understand the parts that you'll need in order to get this job done. You'll see me in the next video. Thank you.